It's creamy, gooey, oozy, rich, and velvety. But wouldn't you know it, it's not even cheese. That's right, the modern-day Velveeta is considered just a cheese product. However, in the late 1800s, Emile Frey, a skilled cheesemaker hailing from Switzerland, encountered quite the dilemma at the Monroe Cheese Factory in upstate New York. What to do with imperfect cheese wheels unfit for sale? This idea dawned on him. Why not blend the discarded cheese remnants with milk whey to create a unified, velvety textured cheesy concoction? In 1918, Velveeta was born. Its name derived from its remarkable velvety melting properties. The Monroe Cheese Factory was soon acquired by Kraft Foods, which took Velveeta to new heights, with their eyes fixed on its perceived nutritional benefits, marketing it as a healthy dairy food and gaining the endorsement of the American Medical Association in the 1930s. Over the ensuing decades, Velveeta's popularity soared, particularly during the mid-20th century, praised for its mild flavor, ease of use, and consistent quality. In the mid-1950s, Kraft had to strategically rebrand Velveeta due to their advent of pre-sliced packaged cheese product. So with Velveeta's creamy, velvety quality, they marketed it as a dip and sauce rather than compete directly with pre-sliced packaged cheese. This pivot aligned with the growing demand for processed cheeses, catering to consumers seeking predictability and convenience in their culinary choices. Fast forward to the early 2000s, Kraft forged a strategic partnership with Conagra Foods, spotlighting Velveeta's compatibility with products like Rotel diced tomatoes and chilies. This collaboration gave rise to the iconic Americanized queso dip, a beloved feature at Super Bowl parties and tailgates, cementing Velveeta's role as a vital ingredient in American snacks. Despite its widespread usage and acclaim, Velveeta falls short of FDA standards for real cheese. Originally crafted from genuine cheese, its composition has evolved over time to include primarily whey and milk protein concentrate and various preservatives. Consequently, Kraft was compelled to reclassify Velveeta as a pasteurized processed cheese product, departing from its original designation as a cheese spread. There's nothing quite like the creamy, velvety flavor of Velveeta dip. And by adding Rotel or ground beef, you've got an all-American party dip that complements any Super Bowl party. Well, there you have it, the mystery behind America's liquid gold. Thanks for watching, and as always, my friends, stay saucy.